Hi everyone, from this video let's learn about creative blog. Guys, do you know what is blog? A blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order, with the latest post appearing first. It is a platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. There are so many features in blog site. The appearance of blogs changed over time, and nowadays blogs include different items. But most blogs include some standard features and structure. Here are common features that a typical blog will include. First one is header with a menu or navigation bar, main content area with highlighted or latest blog post, sidebar with social profiles, favorite content or call to action, footer with relevant links like a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact page. This is a basic blog structure. There are header, main content, sidebar and footer. Header with a menu or navigation bar, main content with highlighted or latest blog post, sidebar with social profiles, favorite content or call to action, footer with relevant links like a disclaimer, privacy policy and contact page. Now let's see why is blogging so popular. It became a mainstream source of information. Through blogging, companies keep clients and customers up to date. Through a blog, visitors can comment and interact with you or your brand. You can earn money through blogging. Guys, I hope that you have learned something important when it comes to the world of blogging. If you have managed to start a blog, then your next step is to work on your blog content in order to keep your future readers satisfied and engaged. Feel free to check out our extensive list of blogging resources which will help you run and grow your new blog. Thank you.